So the question is, will we fund deals that don't need any repairs? And the answer is yes. But you have to keep in mind, you're gonna have to be getting a pretty good deal. One of the things that happens when I buy a property that needs repairs is I'm making money through negotiating a good deal, but I'm also making money by doing value improvements, meaning I'm gonna add value to the property by doing some improvements, which will increase the value to be even more. Whereas if you're buying a property that doesn't need any repairs, you're gonna have to make sure you're getting it with quite a bit of value, because we can lend up to 74% of the value. So meaning if the property is worth $100,000, you're gonna have to be buying the property for around $74,000. So what's very difficult to do is say, well, I'm buying it for 74, but it's really worth 100 and I'm not doing any repairs to the property. That's very uncommon. Maybe it's worth a little bit more, but to have it be worth 26% less is something that you're going to have to make sure you're getting a really good deal on. So basically the value of this property in as-is condition cannot be more than 74% of the as-is condition of the property. So meaning if the property was as-is condition was 100, then we could get 74,000 for that property in a loan amount.